Everyone, today's my topic is the technical topic, which is clinical research. What is a clinical research? So clinical research is the comprehensive study of the safety and effectiveness of the most of promising advances in patient care. Clinical research is different than laboratory research. It involves people who volunteer to help us better understand medicine and health. Lab research generally does not involve people, although it helps us learn which new ideas may help people. Every drug, device, tool, diagnostic test, technique, and technology used in medicine today was once tested in volunteers who took part in clinical research studies. We believe that clinical research is key to improve care for people in our community and around the world. Once you understand more about clinical research, you may appreciate why it is important to participate for yourself and the community. So, what are the clinical research? There are two main kinds of clinical research are observational studies. Observational studies are the studies that aim to identify and analyze patterns in medical data or in biological samples, such as tissue or blood provided by study patterns. Clinical research studies need people of every age, health status, race, gender, ethnicity, and cultural background to participate. This will increase the chances that scientists and clinicians will develop treatment and procedures that are likely to be safe and work well in all people. Potential volunteers are carefully screened to ensure that they meet all the requirements for any study before they begin. Most of the reason people are not included in studies is because of the concerns about included in studies is because of the concerns about study, concerns about safety. Both healthy people and those with diagnosed medical condition can take part in clinical research. Participation is always completely voluntary and participants can leave a study at any time for any reason. Type of research studies are two kinds of clinical research. There are many types of study. They are based on the study goals, participant and other factors. Clinical trials study the safety and effectiveness of interventions and procedures on people's intervention and procedures of people's health. Intervention may include medication, radiation, foods, and behaviors such as exercise. Usually, the treatments in clinical trials are studied in a laboratory and sometimes in animals before they are studied in humans. The goal of clinical trials is to find new and better ways of preventing, diagnosing, and treating disease. They are used to test drug or medicine, new types of surgeries, medical drives, devices, new ways of changing health behaviors. Goals of clinical trials. Phases of clinical trials. In general, new drug needs to go through various series of four types of clinical trials. These help researchers show that medication is safe and effective. As the study moves through each phase, researchers learn more about a medication, including its risks or benefits. Is the medication safe and what is the right dose? Phase 1 trial involves small number of participants, often normal volunteers. Phase 2 trials test the treatment or procedure on a large number of participants. These participants usually have the condition or disease that the treatment is intended or remedy. Three trials have even more people enrolled. Some may get a placebo or an already improvement treatment so that the new medication can be compared to the treatment. Phase 4 happens after the treatment or procedure has been improved. Information about patients who are receiving the treatment is gathered or studied to see if new information is seen when given to a large number of patients. There are several steps in place to protect volunteers who take part in clinical research studies. Clinical research is regulated by the federal government. So, it is all about the clinical research. Thank you.